What are the greatest video game consoles ever made? But first, did you know the first home console, the Magnavox Odyssey, was released way back in 1972? Now at number 5, the Nintendo 64. It brought 3D gaming to the masses and sold over 32 million units worldwide. Number 4 is the undisputed king of sales, the PlayStation 2, with a staggering 155 million units sold. Coming in at number 3, the SNES. It defined the 16-bit era, selling 49 million units and giving us timeless classics. Our runner-up is the revolutionary Nintendo Switch, with over 139 million units sold and still going strong. And the number 1 spot goes to ... the original PlayStation. It changed the industry forever, selling over 102 million units. That's our list. What's your favorite console? Let us know in the comments.